I left you. Accept this wealth and seek true happiness.
Tadgata, you have recognized my penance. This is the biggest reward for me. I will do as you wish. I was taking care of Rahul till now. Please give him what he is due.
Yashodhara, Siddharth is leaving. We could not convince him. But I thought he would stay back after seeing you and Rahul. What should I do? What should we do?
Your Majesty, please. You must take care of your health.
Oh, Princess, what selflessness. Even after knowing that you were part of this great happening, you do not seek any name or fame, just humble surrender to your Lord?
Sir, pardon us for our ignorance. We misunderstood you. But what about Rahul? Look, he's following you.
The Eightfold Path will alleviate all sufferings. My blessings are for everyone, including Rahul.
Tathagata, I'm your son, Rahul. I want my inheritance.
I own nothing, but I can show you the way to the greatest inheritance that life is offering you and all others. That is Nirvana. I can only offer you life in these robes.
Your voice is so soothing. Even your shadow fills me with happiness. Whatever you give me, it will be a gift to me.
You can take this as your inheritance from Tadgata.
Mate! Mate! See, I've got this dress from Tadgata. He is very kind and loving. I'm going to follow his path.
Oh son, you have taken Rahul also. What will happen to Yashodhara? Who will take care of my kingdom?
Your Majesty, the prince has no attachment to the material world. We cannot bring him back. But we must convince the princess and young Rahul to stay back for the sake of the kingdom.
Our Prince Siddhartha had everything: health, wealth, and power. He sacrificed everything just to help mankind. Today, he asked his son to follow his path. He has no desire for self. That is why he could control his mind and reach to the path of Nirvana.
But renunciation is not good. But what will happen to the world if everyone follows it?
He has given us the Eightfold Path. It emphasizes on practicing moderation in life. It directs us to practice sealing on desire. By following slowly, we can reach to the path of Nirvana.
Today we have endless suffering because we have unlimited desires. Let us reduce them and live a meaningful life. This is the best way to practice Lord Buddha's teaching.
I have completed my worldly duties to my son. I am free to take refuge in Sangha.
This is destiny. It is difficult to accept. But in the days to come, the world will recognize the sacrifices made by Yashodhara.
Sometime after her son Rahul became a novice monk, Yashodhara gave up household life and entered the order of nuns. She was ordained as a bhikshuni, following the Pajapati Gautami. In due course, she became one of the chief disciples and attained supernormal powers. She left the world at the age of 78. The Buddha's preaching of metta found relevance through the Sakya kingdom and gradually to other countries. O Mother Sai, today in the Kali Yuga, you have taught us that there is only one religion, the religion of love. We pray that you give us the strength and guidance to fill our lives with love and tread the path to everlasting bliss. We adore you, we worship you, and dearest Sai, we love you.
ప్రేమ బంధము
तुमसे प्यार Thank you.